Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. And so in this video I'm going to be teaching you how to do one of my intermediate combos, and this is what the trick looks like. So to start this trick, you're going to want to get to your trapeze. And here you're going to enter kamikaze mount. So there's two ways you can do this. You could either whip into it, which I don't know how to do that yet, I'm working on it. And you could also do it like that. So if you can't do the whip thingy, what you're going to do is you're going to take your throwing hand, pointer finger, and stick it through this loop, just like that. And you're going to rock it back and forth and roll it over your throwing hand, pointer finger, just like that. So, once you got that down, you're going to pinch the string with your middle finger and your pointer finger, and you're going to let the slack go, just like that, or the loop go, like that. So then you should have this like slack thingy hanging out. And you're going to roll back and forth, swing it over to your right. You're going to unpinch the string, and then, so then you should be trapeze with your pointer finger in the loop. The throwing hand, pointer finger in the loop. Here it is. Swing it back and forth. And then once it comes to your non-throwing hand, pointer finger, you're gonna push into the string and roll the yo-yo over your non-throwing hand, pointer finger. Now you should be in the same exact mount that we were in before from when we got into the kamikaze mount. But instead of going into the kamikaze mount, rolling over our throwing hand, pointer finger, we're going to roll over our non-throwing hand, pointer finger, just like that. And we're going to let the string off of our throwing hand, pointer finger, and then roll off the double trapeze. Then from here, you're going to use that momentum of when you came off from that double trapeze to throw the over to the throwing hand side. And then you're going to get into your 1.5 mount. So again, double trapeze off until 1.5 mount. And now once you're in your 1.5 mount, you're going to toss the yo-yo over to non-throwing hand side, and then take your non-throwing hand pointer finger out of the string. Then here you're going to do the same thing that we did in the beginning, rock it back and forth, roll over our non-throwing hand, pointer finger. But then from here we're going to get into a kamikaze mount like we did in the very beginning of the trick. Okay, so once you're in your kamikaze mount, we're going to do the same exact thing we did in the beginning again. Pinch, let the string go, roll over to the right, then unpinch. Roll over our non-throwing hand, pointer finger. Then from here we're going to take our throwing hand, pointer finger, take it out of that loop. Then we're going to get into a green triangle. Now if you don't know how to get into that green triangle, what you're going to do is just going to flip off and intersect the string with your non-throwing hand, middle finger. Toss it over. And this is a lot like Man on Fun Trapeze and his brother, except you're going to roll over your hand and land on that back string. So you have that string right here. Right, you have your string going over your hand, just like that. And over here, all you're going to do is you're going to take that string and just drop it onto this string right here. Here, pop it off to the back, then bind. So put all of those elements together. We have kamikaze mount, roll over, double trapeze, 1.5 mount, toss it over, roll it over, kamikaze mount, pinch, roll over, green triangle. And that's how to do my intermediate combo.